Spotify. But if you do and you click on it, and this is what. Hello and welcome to AI plus more. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can dropship using in Shopee Philippines. Not using, but in Shopee Philippines. And right now, we're here on Shopee. So what is dropshipping? You might be wondering. I think you already know if that's why you're here, right? Basically, if you don't know what it is, the brief explanation is that you're some sort of a middleman between the consumer and the seller. The first thing that I want to tell you to do is to create your own Shopify account. But first, you need to create your own too. So let's go back to the landing page, and you'll see on the top right corner of the screen something called Start Free Trial. You click on that, and then you register your own Shopify account. But don't worry, you don't even need my guide, because along your registration process, you will have a guide. Because this website is so user-friendly, everything that you need is just prepared for you. And what we need to search up now is something that we call Importify. This thing is a premium service, so it's not for free, because running a business isn't free, and you need to make investments. And as you can see, these are the subscription plans that's available for them. Even I am broke. I'm not planning to start a business, but rather just showing you what you need to do in order to start your dropshipping business. And if you really want to invest in this, you need to invest in Importify. So what Importify does is that it allows you to import products from Shopee from different suppliers into your website. And first of all, you need to download the extension. So you can find it on the Chrome web store, and you just need to click on add to whatever browser you have here. I already added it, so it just shows up removed from the browser that I'm using. And then when you're done, you should see something on the top left corner of your screen. Right now it shows login, because I'm not currently subscribed to Importify. But if you do and you click on it, and this is the sample of things that you see. This is from the official Importify tutorial video, and you can see that you can write down some details about the product that you're trying to sell or dropship, including the price range. So just a piece of advice, you need to make sure that the price range that you need to put is reasonable, not only for the buyer but also for you, because dropshipping is making profit from the fees that you get from being the middleman. You get my point? So you need to make some profit for yourself too, but not make it too big, because that would be too much for someone to buy. Then they would just find it somewhere else. That is how you dropship using Shopee Philippines. I may not have grown much because of the limits of what I have on financially, and I'm not ready to do a dropshipping business. But the truth of the matter is that most of these apps that can help you in dropshipping are no longer free, as it was like months ago, because everything is hidden behind the paywall now. But if you're really prepared to enter the world of dropshipping business, then you need to take risks, and you need to make investments. That's all I have to say. Thank you for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment down below any thoughts or suggestions that you would like us to make in the future.